check this out. I just found almost 34 gigs of data in my recycle bin on my Windows 11 computer. Hey everybody, I'm Sean with the Tech Gremlin Warrior, and today I'm going to walk you through how to find large files that are taking up space on your computer that you might not even have known was going on, right? I just wasn't even paying attention and just saw this. So let's jump in and let me show you how to do this. What we're looking at here, we have our very familiar Windows 11 desktop. We want to go over to our start menu, lower left-hand corner. This might look a little different if you're using a traditional Windows 11 setup, and it could be here in the middle. I've got this set up Windows 10 style. Again, we're going to click on the start menu. Now, there's two different ways of getting to these settings. One, you can navigate to it and go from here to click and click and click, and I'll show you that first. You can either go into settings right here. There's one. Then from settings, you can go into system. Once in system, you can go down here and click into storage. Once you get into there, you're going to have a user account control window pop up. You'll want to click on yes. However, even quicker would be going into start and just type storage. The best match is storage settings, and then again right here, storage settings. And typically when you do a search, the best match is the one you're looking for. In this case, that is the case. We go ahead and click on storage settings, and again, that user account control window's popping up for me here, clicking on yes. And in order to see what's going on with your recycle bin, you want to go into your temporary files. We open that up, and boom, right here we have, it's telling us 33.8 gigabytes is being used on my computer right now. You might not have as much, or you might have more. The other thing that you might notice here in this temporary files is you've got your downloads. I've got almost 6 gigs of data in my downloads folder. Again, that could be a place where you can find a lot of space being used. And then we have a bunch of other different little things here that we could easily go ahead and delete and save up some space, but it's not as dramatic as what we're seeing with the recycle bin. So let's go ahead and just minimize this. And let's go into our recycle bin. So right now, we're not seeing the recycle bin on my desktop because I like to have a nice clean desktop. So what I'm going to do here, you can probably find yours quickly. It should be a recycle bin folder on your desktop. I'm going to right click and I'm going to do a view, and I'm going to do a show desktop icons. And I like to keep my recycle bin. Your recycle bin might be in someplace else on your desktop, but I like to keep my recycle bin in the lower right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and double-click on that and open it up. Okay, now that it's opened, I can see the dates that things have been deleted, and then if I wanted to, I can also see all the sizes. So what's kind of nice is to go ahead and just click on the date, and then it's going to show the, in this case, the earliest stuff at the top, and then the stuff that was just deleted recently at the very, very bottom. All right. And so you can quickly see, hey, I don't need all this stuff that was deleted almost a month ago. Another thing that you can do is click on size, and you can quickly see up here just like this, and we'll go all the way to the top. And now we get to see all of the biggest files at the very, very top. Right now, what you're seeing, this is showing us in kilobytes, but really this is coming out to 12 gigs right here. This right here is 12 gigs of space. All right. The next one down is 7 gigs of space, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So I can look at this and I immediately know I don't need this big stuff. I just don't. There's nothing in here that I'm looking at that I need to keep. And so I can immediately go down here and go boom. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the shift button down, and I'm going to come all the way down to, as I look at this, I'm really not seeing anything jumping out at me that I need to keep. I'm going to go all the way down the bottom. I'm holding the shift button down, and I'm going to click on this very last item, and it highlights everything in there. So that's one way of selecting everything, and then I can delete. The other option is simply to just click on empty recycle bin, and that's what I'm going to do here because I don't need anything in here. And I'm going to click on yes. And so now we had almost 34 gigs of data in that recycle bin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize this, and we're going to go back to our system settings, and we're going to do a refresh. And look at that, the recycle bin's not even showing up. It's not even giving us an option. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this remove files. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of all this other stuff that I don't need. I'll quickly remove the files. And something to kind of keep in mind with your downloads folder, and that is there might be things in there that you still need. And so that's where you really want to examine it and make sure, hey, do I really want to get rid of stuff or not? While this is cleaning up all this other stuff, I'm going to minimize this. We're going to go over to our File Explorer, and we're going to open up this File Explorer, and we're going to go to our downloads folder. Again, I showed you how to sort by size. We'll click on that again. All of the biggest things at the very, very top. I've got some Facebook stuff here. This was a Facebook backup that I did. I want to keep that. This is an AI tool that is nice to have for creating images. It's all done locally, kind of nice. I got a lot of other stuff here. So I'm literally just going to come down here and go and do this and delete. All right. So that's how you get into your downloads folder. That's how you sort to see what's the largest size files and or the oldest files. All right. So if you all of a sudden come to your computer and you're looking around, you go, wow, I've got a lot of spaces being used up on my hard drive. This is how you would go and figure out what is being used and where it's being used and how to clean it up. All right, so that's it for this video, everybody. Thanks for watching.